minuto sa mundo, mga segundo'y ubusin. Sa tabi mo, kulang ang habang buhay sa atin.
Magkaibigan lang tayo noon. Tropa, honestly, medyo friendzone nga eh. Pero ito tayo ngayon, nasa harap ni Pastor, sa harap ng Diyos. Sino mag-aakala na yung dating tinatawag kong mare noon, ngayon asawa ko na.
Kahit lahat ay mawala na, handa akong masaktan kung kapalit na may malaya. Siyang mahahagkan, tunay na propesya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa. Aking oksihina, pag hindi na makahinga. Handa akong manatili hanggang sa iyong pagkalma, magsisilbing lakas mo tuwing nanghihina ka. Patatahanin kita kapag may problema ka. Dadamayan ka sa lahat, aking sinta. Kahit gaano man kalalim.
We've been together for 3 years, 11 months, 12 days, and 7 hours. Kumpitado. Halos 4 na taon ng tawanan, tampuhan, harutan, pagmamahalan. At sa'yo ko napatunayan na wala talagang 3 years course.
Ay akin iyang nilanguyin. Sasagipin
Congrats.
kita. Sasagipin kita. Sasagipin kita.
I remember praying for a man who would be gentle with my heart, someone genuine, sincere, loving and kind, someone who would choose me every day. And today, I stand here knowing that God answered that prayer through you. Love, our journey was far from easy. We faced distance, countless fights, and days when your duty had to come before us. There were days when all I could do was wait, trust, and pray.
Dadamayan ka sa lahat, aking sinta. Kahit gaano man kalalim.
You are my peace, my hope, and the person I want to build love. I vow to protect your heart, respect you, love you, and stand by you through everything.
Ay akin iyang nilanguyin. Sasagipin kita. Sasagipin kita. Sasagipin kita. Handa akong manatili hanggang sa iyong pagkalma, magsisilbing lakas mo tuwing nanghihina ka. Patatahanin kita kapag may problema ka. Gagabayan ka sa lahat, mahal kita.
Love, I promise to love you and choose you every day, to be your partner in dreams and in challenges. I promise to keep our love strong, to grow together, and to make our life a beautiful journey. Mahal kita, Jenard, ngayon at palagi.
Nagsimulang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang sabay nagtagpo ating mata? Ilang beses humindi, buti ay di ako na.
Mahirap pala talagang magmahal ng isang sundalo. Sabi nga nila, it takes a strong woman to love a military man. But I know in my heart that I am strong enough, not just to love you, but to marry you and walk with you through every season of life.
Ipaglalaban ko, tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Aaminin sa'yo.
From now until forever, I hold your heart and I commit myself to you fully. And you are my home, my peace, and my lifelong love, today, tomorrow, and always. I love you.
Ibig niya.
We kept choosing each other. We learned to hold on, even when it was hard. To fight for love, even when distance was separating us. And to believe that God was preparing us for this moment.
Sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Sabay natin nadadaanan ang lahat. Hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal. Hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.